Hello and welcome to Film Mixologist. So today what we're going to do is, in this video, what I'm going to try and do is try and bring together all these bits for Holley one barrel carb, because I just need to finish it. But I'll show you what are the bits. Sometimes the bits that you don't think are going to be challenging prove to be quite challenging in this build. So I'll show you closer here what I mean by this. And it was this particular piece that really was the most challenging thing of the build, funnily enough. And this is the what goes here to actuate the choke. Now you could have said, well, I could have eliminated the choke and be done with it. But I didn't want to do that. And the reason is because this carb is really not a performance carb, and therefore because of that, whoever's going to buy it is going to buy it to put in a standard car, and if they put in a standard car, they want to have a choke, you know, for normal functioning of the car. So that's why I had to cut and weld a new piece in here in order to get the actuator going. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start building up this unit so that it's clear kind of how do I go about it step by step. And obviously I'm going to be using this unit here, this kind of rebuild kit, which is absolutely fundamental for this sort of operation. So let's start kind of building more things, and I'll show you how they go as I go along. Okay, so far as you can see here, I've done the metering unit. I've done the this element for the power valve. I put a power valve here as well, and this is kind of for the accelerator pump, and that's working okay. So let's carry on with some other bits. Okay, so now as you can see here, I've installed the needle and seat and the float. So now what I need to do is I need to put the fuel bowl on top, so I more or less finish this part of the unit. So now we got the base bolted onto the main body, and it's very simple. It's just these two bolts, so it's now bolted on. What I need to do next is to put the accelerator pump arm, which is there. So that's with the next job on the list. Okay, I think finally I've managed to fix this unit by getting the choke to actuate, opening, you know, good enough-ish. So I think this brings us to the end of this video. I'm reasonably satisfied that this unit is going to work. I just need to bend this a little bit more so this rides kind of a bit true to the heel here. But I think this unit is pretty much ready to to be installed in a car. And again with the choke, there you go. That's the actuation of the choke, which I think this is what it should be doing. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.